Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here then hi, I'm Prerna, and today I'm going to give a short review and swatches of this My Glam Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lipsticks. I have two shades with me, Goddess and Trophy. So if you want to watch the swatches and the short review which I'm going to give, then stay tuned. So when it comes to outer packaging, it comes in this kind of outer carton box, a red color outer carton box, and it says that it is Ulti-Matte and it is long stay matte lipsticks. This is how the inner packaging looks like. It's a beautiful glossy, shiny gold color, and it looks very classy to look at. So you get 1.3 grams of product for 699 rupees, and you get a shelf life of 3 years. And let's see what claims it has. It's saying that it is Ulti-Matte long stay matte lipstick. The ingredient list is mentioned over here. I'll put an enlarged picture of the ingredient list so that you can go through it if you want to. And it is definitely gluten-free, SLS-free, paraben-free, and dermatologically tested. It says that love is in the air and on your lips. Fall in love with the long-wearing full pigment matte lipstick brought to you in a convenient ultra slim stick format. It fills in lip lines to give you a perfect kissable pout. So yeah, this is all what is written on the outer box, and I think you get total 12 shades in this range, and all shades are pretty and very beautiful and definitely will suit all skin tones. I just have two with me over here, that's Trophy and Goddess. This is Trophy which I'm wearing, and it's a beautiful, peachy brownie with little hints of brown, I must say, a lot peachy and little hints of brown in it, and it looks very pretty. I really like it. It's one of my favorite lipsticks. So yeah, that's it. It is claiming about itself, and it is formulated in Italy. So I personally really like this glossy, shiny gold packaging. It looks very classy to look at, and yeah, the price is also not very cheap. It's literally costing 700 rupees for 1.3 grams. But yeah, I think I bought it at a very discounted rate. I don't but yes, it's a very beautiful packaging and it looks very classy, and I specifically like this kind of thin bullets because it really helps you to get in the inner corners of your lips without messing up while applying the lipstick. So these are the lipsticks which will create a very less mess when you apply. I really hate the fat bullets because sometimes they get very messy while applying. So overall, I really like the size and the shape of this bullet, and it's very thin, but no worries, there are no chances of it to break because this area of the lipstick is giving it a very good support, and you don't really have to pull the entire lipstick out to apply the lipstick. You're going to break it. You just have to pull out a small part of the stick so that you can apply it without breaking it, and you'll get perfect precision. So yeah, that's all about the packaging I had to say. So let's talk about the formula now. It says that it is ulti matte. It's definitely matte. It's matte like the Nykaa Ultra Mattes. I feel the formula between these two are almost the same. And this also looks a lot like Nefertiti. This is Trophy, but Nefertiti is a little bit darker than this lipstick. But yeah, the formula wise they are quite similar. They are literally matte. They are ultra matte. This is ulti matte, as they say and as they claim, and it is definitely long lasting, because once you apply it, after some times it gets totally transfer proof and totally matte, and also it is very comfortable and non-drying, and it's very comfortable and very matte. As you guys can see, there is a very minimum amount of transfer of lipstick on the hand, and this is after around 10 minutes of application of the lipstick, and you guys can see the color of the lipstick is still there, so it doesn't affect the pigmentation of the lipstick. When it comes to pigmentation, it is not definitely one swipe pigmentation. Maybe the darker lipsticks in this range are one swipe pigmentation, I don't know about them, but I have all the colors which I have are both light, so you need to swipe them 3-4 times to get the pigmentation on your lips. So about pigmentation, I'll rate it from for pigmentation I'll rate it on the 7 out of 10 maybe. They're really beautiful lipsticks, and you can definitely grab one or whichever color suits you and whichever color you are interested to buy. Out of the 12 shades, you can definitely purchase at least one. So that's all I had to say about this lipstick. So if you found this review helpful, then please do hit the like button, and if you want to see me in future, then please click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon besides it, so that next time I upload any video, guys get notified. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take a very good care of yourself and of your family, and bye bye and take care.